Well, we're going to say goodbye to the old corrugated iron tin roof here today. And before we go, scrabble down the bank here. I'll show you the Joe McGee way we cobbled this thing up. Here's the outer supports for this thing. Is a pier with a 2x4 notched to support the pipe frame and held on with plumber's tape and a couple of little nails. So that's what this thing was made with welded EMT tubing and recycled galvanized steel sheet. So how did we attach it to this tin barn over here? Well, let's see if we can see. There we go. They took some 2x4s, drilled through the wall of the tin barn, and then they clamped them to the wall with threaded rod or long bolts, can't remember which. Then we laid the tubular frame on top of that 2x4 and secured the frame with a stainless hose clamp. So one hose clamp there, one hose clamp over here. And that's what's holding this roof up. And I'm pushing on as hard as I can, standing underneath it, and I can't budge it. And it's been up here for 25 years anyway. So today we're taking it down and replacing it with the new shed.